garlic, known as a natural antibiotic, a superfood that has accompanied humans for thousands of years. It brings countless benefits, increasing resistance, protecting the cardiovascular system, anti-inflammatory, even preventing cancer. However, not everyone can use garlic comfortably. For some people, eating a lot of garlic regularly can become a double-edged sword, endangering health. Welcome to our channel, which provides health and fitness tips. Please subscribe to the channel to receive more useful information. Today, we'll be exploring the dark side of garlic and how it can negatively affect certain individuals. Make sure to watch till the end to find out if you fall into any of these categories. Let's get started. No. 1. People with hypoglycemia. Garlic is famous for its ability to naturally lower blood pressure. But for people who already have low blood pressure, eating a lot of garlic will make blood pressure drop even more. Garlic is a potent food that can cause blood sugar levels to drop rapidly. This is due to the high amounts of allicin, a compound found in garlic that stimulates insulin production in the body. While this can be beneficial for people with diabetes, it can be dangerous for those with hypoglycemia or low blood sugar. When someone with hypoglycemia eats garlic, their blood sugar levels may drop so low that they lose consciousness. This can lead to severe complications such as seizures, brain damage, and even death. To avoid this, people with hypoglycemia should completely avoid garlic and other high insulin index foods. If you are in the low blood pressure group, use garlic in moderation, only eat it as a spice. Do not eat raw garlic in high doses. Should instead focus on consuming foods that help stabilize blood sugar levels, such as complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, and healthy fats. No. 2. Pregnant women. Garlic is a common ingredient in many recipes around the world, but pregnant women should avoid it at all costs. Eating large amounts of garlic during pregnancy can lead to a condition called hyperemesis gravidarum, which causes excessive vomiting and can be life-threatening for both the mother and the baby. For breastfeeding women, the pungent smell of garlic can enter breast milk, making the baby uncomfortable and refusing to breastfeed. Garlic also contains a compound called allicin, which can stimulate the production of progesterone. This hormone is essential for maintaining a pregnancy, but too much of it can lead to complications. Prolonged bleeding during childbirth. Miscarriage and premature labor are some of the risks associated with excessive progesterone levels. Additionally, garlic can interfere with the absorption of certain nutrients, such as vitamin B6 and iron, which are crucial for both the mother and the baby's health. These nutrients are important for the development of the baby's brain and nervous system and for preventing birth defects. Therefore, pregnant women should not eat garlic to ensure the safety of both themselves and their babies. No. 3. People about to have surgery or are taking anticoagulants. Garlic has the ability to thin the blood thanks to the active ingredient, allicin. This is a benefit in preventing blood clots, but becomes dangerous for people who are taking anticoagulants such as warfarin, aspirin, or are about to undergo surgery. Garlic can make blood difficult to clot, increase the risk of prolonged bleeding, and even cause serious blood loss during surgery. If you are preparing for surgery, doctors often advise stopping eating garlic at least 7 to 10 days before. People taking anticoagulants should also consult their doctor before using it. Garlic is a powerful blood thinner. While this can be beneficial for people who want to reduce their risk of heart disease or stroke, it can be dangerous for people with bleeding disorders. Garlic works by inhibiting the production of certain clotting factors in the body, which can lead to excessive bleeding if care is not taken. People with bleeding disorders such as hemophilia already have difficulty controlling bleeding, and eating garlic can make this problem worse. If someone with a bleeding disorder eats garlic and gets injured, they may bleed for longer than someone without a bleeding disorder. This can lead to complications such as anemia, fatigue, and even death. Therefore, people with bleeding disorders should avoid garlic and other blood-thinning foods to prevent excessive bleeding and ensure their safety. No. For people with liver disease, liver is the organ responsible for metabolizing the compounds in garlic, especially allicin. If you have hepatitis, cirrhosis, or impaired liver function weak, eating a lot of raw garlic can further damage the liver, cause metabolic disorders, and increase liver enzymes. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which is responsible for its pungent odor and flavor. Allicin is also known to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. However, when consumed in large amounts, allicin can be toxic to the liver, leading to liver damage and even death. People with liver disease should avoid garlic and other high-sulfur foods to prevent further damage to their livers and maintain good health. Instead, they should focus on consuming a balanced diet that is rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. This will provide the necessary nutrients for the body while avoiding potential harmful substances. Additionally, people with liver disease should consult with their healthcare provider before adding any new supplements or herbal remedies to their diet, as these can also put a strain on the liver. By taking these precautions, individuals with liver disease can better manage their condition and improve their overall health and well-being. No. 5. People with stomach and digestive problems. Garlic is spicy, hot, and contains many sulfur compounds. When eating a lot of garlic, especially raw garlic, the stomach lining can be strongly stimulated, causing burning pain, heartburn, acid reflux, or even stomach ulcers. In addition, people with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or bloating, indigestion when eating a lot of garlic, are prone to bloating, diarrhea, and prolonged discomfort. Therefore, people with digestive disorders should limit eating raw garlic. Only use small amounts in cooking, and it is best to consult a doctor. They should instead focus on consuming foods that do not interact with their medication, such as leafy green vegetables, citrus fruits, and whole grains. If you're unsure whether a certain food is safe to consume while taking blood thinners, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. And number 6, people with kidney disease. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which gives it its characteristic pungent odor and flavor. Allicin is also known to have several health benefits, including antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. However, for people with kidney disease, allicin can be toxic to the kidneys and lead to further damage. When consumed in large amounts, garlic can cause the kidneys to excrete potassium at a faster rate, leading to low potassium levels in the body. This can cause symptoms such as muscle weakness, fatigue, and irregular heartbeat. In severe cases, it can even lead to death. People with kidney disease should avoid garlic and other high-potassium foods, such as bananas and avocados. Instead, they should focus on consuming foods that are low in potassium and phosphorus, such as apples, grapes, and almonds. By making smart food choices, individuals with kidney disease can help to protect their kidneys and maintain good health. It's important to note that while garlic can be dangerous for certain individuals, it can also be a valuable addition to a healthy diet for most people. Garlic contains many nutrients and compounds that can provide numerous health benefits, such as boosting the immune system, reducing inflammation, and improving heart health. However, it's crucial to be aware of the potential risks of garlic consumption and take necessary precautions to avoid any negative effects. By doing so, you can enjoy the benefits of garlic while keeping yourself safe and healthy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share for more informative content about health and wellness. Stay healthy and take care.